Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and welcome to IP Go, the show where we take a look at the IPO world past, present, and future. The promise of love was in the air last week, and it wasn't just because it was Valentine's Day. Dating app Bumble made its stock market debut, pricing at $43, $4 above the top of the anticipated range of $37 to $39, which was itself $10 above the initially indicated range of $28 to $30 per share. Bumble raised $2.15 billion, valuing the business at over $7 billion. The stock was very much in demand on debut, and the shares traded up by as much as 77% to $76 per share before ending the first day up 63%. The shares have subsequently traded as high as $84.80. That performance was a real win for Bumble founder and CEO Whitney Wolfe Herd, who made history by becoming the youngest female founder to take a company public in the USA. In other news, the shares of Churchill Capital Corp, a SPAC or blank check company, rose by more than 30% last week on reports that it was moving closer to finalizing a deal which would bring Lucid Motors to the market. California-based Lucid is a manufacturer of luxury electric vehicles and is seen by some as a competitor to Tesla in that space. Churchill was said to be in talks to raise up to $1.5 billion to help fund a deal with Lucid. That money is in addition to the $2 billion, which the SPAC raised when it IPO'd back in July 2020. Churchill stock has risen by more than 400% year to date on hopes that a merger with Lucid could be completed. Sources suggest that if the fundraising is successful, then a deal could be concluded within a few weeks. Sponsor Churchill Capital has two further SPACs in the pipeline that are waiting to list in the coming weeks. These are Churchill Capital Corp 6, which will look to raise $480 million, and stablemate Churchill Capital Corp 7, which is looking to secure $1.2 billion when it IPOs. Both of these issues will be priced at $10 per share when they come. There are a further 10 SPACs from other sponsors on the current IPO calendar that are looking to list in the near future. Wall Street's appetite for blank check companies shows no signs of slowing down, though it's possible to have too much of a good thing. The Renaissance Capital IPO ETF that tracks the performance of U.S. new issues has recently pulled back, falling from a 5-year high of $77.05 to trade below $72.50. The ETF's performance in the coming weeks could be a good gauge of investor sentiment towards a new issue calendar that is increasingly dominated by SPACs and the few real businesses coming to the market near term. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions.